Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor, and today I'm just building myself a table. It's 1 inch thick. Yeah, my cut wasn't the greatest. I should have had a bigger tip, but it's an alright cut. A little bit jagged, but I'll get it cleaned up with a grinder. I like to round my edges on the table, not too good, but this was a 1 inch slab, 4 foot by like 12 foot, so I made it 4 by 6, and here I'm cutting my legs down, making sure that they're level. Here's my helper over here getting it down. So what I told him to do was to back bevel them, because that'll give us a nice flat surface where to throw it down. I told him barely grind the side going on the floor, and then the side going onto the table, let's grind it real good so I can get a good penetrated weld. So yeah, we're gonna finish wrapping up the table. I like to put some 60-10 pass around it first, you know, because it's a tight edge right there. So we kind of burn that around there, buff it off, and then low high it, and then I'm done. Get some still, I think there's a camera button you can hit shots too on the side. Try not to get any buckshot. Brand new phone. And I got a brand new Canon camera too. My wife, she won it. I don't always weld in circles, but when I do, it's probably around you. Well, guys, it's been fun, but I think these Twisted X boots done.